You too can be a 3D designer with Vip3D. The secret is that you still design in 2D, like with paper and pencil or traditional CAD-style software, and Vip3D creates 3D elements for you. Let's create a project to see how it's done. Vip3D makes it easy to design with step-by-step stages and tools. Once you know these tools, you know how to design. It's that simple. We have 3 ways to start a project. Use measurements taken in the field, import a plot plan from the client, county, or surveyor, or use the GIS service. For a small cost per address, search an online database for the property. GIS includes surveyed terrain data, as well as aerial overhead imagery taken by plane, not satellite, to create high-quality images. Here is the result: a scaled overhead view of the client's property. Use this data to see the scale of the project or access to the project before visiting the site. Let's start designing. The first step is to create the client's home in Stage 2 house. Use the line tool to point and click to plot the dimensions. Thanks to GIS, simply trace the roofline of the house using the overhead image. Once done, click the 3D button at the top of the screen. Because the shape was drawn in the house stage, Vip3D knows to create a house in 3D. It's that simple. Our goal is to get the client emotionally invested in their project. We're not simply showing them photos or videos of our previous jobs or having them browse our website or Facebook. This is their home, their property, their project. How do we get them invested? Make the 3D home look just like their real home. Even adjust the roof profile to get the right look. Now add windows. Any type of window can be created with the simple window settings in the panel menu. Next, add doors, shutters, and exterior lighting from the library. Find a variety of options to recreate the client's home. Next, we'll add the wall around the property in the walls and fences stage. Use the line tool to point and click to create the wall or fence. Thanks to GIS, we simply follow the yellow property line. Let's head back to 3D to see the wall. In the library, choose from a variety of style presets and fully customize each option to match the client's home. The wall or fence will automatically follow the slope contour from the GIS surveyed terrain data for the address. Now we'll design the pool. We can insert a pool template from the library or design our own. With the tools, create any shape you need. The L-shaped pool looks good, but we want to add room for a tanning ledge and spa. It's easy to extend the pool with the Move tool. Great! Let's see how it looks. Simply right-click the pool and press View in 3D. Because we drew the shape in the pool stage, we have a pool with water in 3D. We even see the depth of 3 to 6 feet. What if our client asked for a play pool instead? No problem. Adjust the depth by moving the right depth marker up and pulling down the middle of the profile line. Back in 3D, immediately see this new profile and your client will appreciate your attention to detail. Another feature important to your client is a spa. Use the rectangle tool in the spa stage to quickly create a spa and take a look in 3D. It's exactly what your client asked for, but now they want to see the spa on the other side. There's no need to redraw the shape. With the Move tool, simply move or adjust the shapes already drawn and immediately see the change in 3D. By quickly making changes with easy-to-use tools, you instantly overcome objections from your clients. This helps solidify your relationship. They see you're not just designing for them, you're designing with them to create the project of their dreams. Next, we'll add a deck around the pool. Use the line tool again to point and click or type in the dimensions you need. To build a 23 by 55 deck, simply type in the dimensions, and Vip3D will draw the shape. When you go to 3D, the new deck surrounds the pool. Design smarter and faster with tools like Outline that allow us to trace and offset existing lines, and save time by quickly switching between design tools with keyboard shortcuts. When we draw shapes in 2D, It's hard for the client to imagine what we're building. With simple options such as choosing between a wood deck or hardscape and assigning a height to the structure, our clients don't have to imagine. They can see everything we plan to build. A single click of the mouse allows you to insert features such as dividers in the wood deck and staircases that automatically calculate how many steps are needed. Back in 3D, our wood deck looks great, and if they can see it, you can sell it. Zoom in to see the real-world accuracy of the beams, joists, and boards, including how the divider splits the beam. Need to check where to place the beams when building? Simply turn off surface boards to see the framing, or add a skirt around the bottom and adjust the angle, size, and spacing of the boards in the panel. Our design looks great. With a single click of the mouse, add a railing around the deck. The railing will automatically follow the stairs. We've drawn several geometric shapes, but what about freeform shapes or designing by hand? No problem. The Freeform Tool works just like a pencil. Let's draw a freeform planner. If the lines aren't perfect, Vip3D will turn our arcs into smooth, usable curves. Later, use triangulation in the construction stage to plot these points in the yard. We'll add one final shape to our design, a pergola. No need to draw individual slats, rafters, posts, and beams. With Vip3D, simply draw the dimensions you want. Choose the pergola option, and the entire structure is built for you. In 3D, customize the rafters, supports, and columns with the interactive pergola in the panel. In the material stage, apply just the right finish to each surface. Choose materials from the vast library. Customize options and import your own materials. This is a great way to make more on every project. Start by showing your client a concrete patio and standard pool finish. Then reveal the upgrades. Pavers or flagstone, glass tile or pebble finish. When your client sees the higher-end products in their design, they're willing to spend more because they see the beauty and understand the value behind the upgrades. Once the materials are set, add landscaping to the project. Each plant you place will look different than the last. They're lush and organic, just like real plants. Each plant can also have a unique symbol assigned for the construction sheet and plant legend. Complete your project with lighting, outdoor kitchen equipment, furniture, rockwork, and more. The immense library includes a variety of options in each category, including groups and templates you can create and use in future projects. Can't find the model you need in the library? Import free models from the SketchUp 3D warehouse, such as your client's favorite statue in their current yard, and place it in the new project. As you design, the software is calculating important details of the project with smart data. Area and perimeter, turn down, step risers, and displacement for hardscapes. Even estimate how much rebar and concrete will be used to build the pool. Construction sheets can be filled in automatically with these detailed calculations. Before presenting the design, let's review a construction sheet. Insert a construction template to see a scaled 2D view of the plan, plant legend with unique symbols for each plant, a pool depth profile, and the smart data calculations. With Vip3D, the page is completed automatically with area, perimeter, turn down, and rebar. You can also print the page in color with fill patterns, ready for HOA approval, and even triangulate the pool layout, making the pre-site and digging easier for your excavators. Now it's time to present the design. Pool buyers can't test drive a pool the same way they test drive a car, so we need to create an interactive 3D presentation that clients walk through and experience their project. Have them watch on the computer screen, TV, or VR headset. Have them swimming in the pool before it's built. Present your design in the middle of winter and help your clients picture themselves enjoying the cool water in the middle of summer. Review the material selections and water features. Earn more on each project when your clients see upgrades in action. Whether you're building a pool, a pergola, a hardscape, or an outdoor kitchen, use a single tool to design in 2D like you always have, present in 3D like you never could before, and streamline the construction process, something you didn't know was possible. All of this using Vip3D. Even show your client precisely where the sun will set and how the shadows will look on a specific date and time, thanks to True Shadows. Sit back and watch your clients enjoy the landscape lighting, crackling fire, and color-changing LED pool lights. Vip3D will dramatically improve how you work, help you get stunning results, and give you more creative freedom than ever before.